Grabe, ang ganda ng smile niya, no? Alam ko marami sa atin dito ang fan na fan ni Taylor Swift. Pero, alam niyo ba na aside sa pagkakaroon ng magandang smile gaya nito, dapat healthy din yung ating mga gums at ngipin. So, paano ba natin mapapanatili na healthy ang ating gums and teeth? Actually, sobrang simple lang naman ang kailangan nating gawin. Back to basics lang. Simulan natin sa brushing, flossing, at mouth rinsing. Add na din natin na dapat pagbibili tayo ng toothpaste and mouthwash, aware tayo sa content nito. Here are some of the contents na need natin i-consider. Sodium monofluorophosphate. Ito'y pampatibay ng ngipin. Allantoin, tagapag-alaga ng gums. Vitamin E, it moisturizes your gums. Dry clean, it reduces formation of plaque. Always remember that prevention is always better and cheaper than cure. Lalo na pag ginawa natin ng tama yung ating brushing, flossing, at mouth rinsing. Isama mo na dyan ang paggamit ng tamang toothpaste at mouthwash. For sure, it will make a big difference. Wait! Gusto mo ba ng freebie from Gumtech? O freebie na yan ha. Ganito lang kasimple. Magbibigay ka lang ng isang benefit na hinahanap mo sa isang oral care product at i-comment mo yan sa comment section. And then, tag 3 friends, share this post to your stories, and tag Gumtech to ensure that your entries are valid. And don't forget to use the hashtags Protect with Gumtech and Rooted in Wellness. O diba? Simpleng-simple lang? Comment na!